डिज़ाइनिंग इंडस्ट्री एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री जो बहुत ही चमक धमक वाली है। हमें लगता है दूर से कि ओ माय गॉड दिस इंडस्ट्री मस्ट बी हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ फन, मगर सच्चाई इससे काफ़ी अलग है। सो व्हेनेवर वी थिंक ऑफ फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग वी थिंक ऑफ फैशन टीवी, बट उसके पीछे की वो चमक धमक, दैट ग्लैमर, इज दैट एवरीथिंग, इज दैट ऑल? सो नो, there is a lot more. There is a big dark thing, guys, which is happening in fashion industry, which we might not know about. I am going to mention all of it today, and if you all wants to pursue designing, don't miss this video. And there are some few important movies which you would like to see if you want to know fashion industry, and that's true without stepping into it. So first movie which is my favorite and which taught us as designer a lot that how this industry makes us greedy and unhuman, which is The Devil Wears Prada. If you haven't seen this movie, go and watch it right now. Highly recommended by me because this movie taught us how mean this fashion industry can be, how we change our emotions because of some fast fashion, because of some fashion sense. And this movie has rating of 6.9 out of 10 in IMDb. So don't miss this movie. And the second movie is Coco before Chanel. So Chanel, we all know, is a big brand. If we talk about fashion industry, if we talk about perfume industry, it's a big name. So what was the journey, what was the history of this brand? So it is all there in this movie. Don't forget to watch this. And if we talk about IMDb rating, it is 6.7 out of 10. And इसके बाद मैं एक ऐसी मूवी का नाम बताने जा रही हूँ गाइज, जो कि आपको बताएगी कि किस तरह से एक गारमेंट एक इंसान को चेंज करता है, एक इंसान की पर्सनालिटी को चेंज करता है। वैसे मेरे पापा कहते हैं गधा खरीदना आप कपड़ा खरीदना सेम बात है, लेकिन नहीं गाइज, मैं एक चीज़ ज़रूर कहूँगी कि कपड़ा एक इंसान की पर्सनैलिटी में एक बहुत बड़ा एस्पेक्ट रखता है, and it improves our personality and our appearance in front of others, and also it gives confidence to us when we wear something with confidence, when we wear right thing according to our personality. That always add-ons to us, and to wear the right thing you don't need to invest a lot. And this movie, The Dressmaker, teaches us exactly the same, which has IMDb rating 7 out of 10, which is very good, guys. You should watch this movie and you will learn a lot more about fashion, how people will take you seriously. And next movie, which I am going to mention, is very close to my heart because I watched this movie in my college days, which is Dior and I, which shows a journey of Dior, of a company, of a brand, how they make garment, what all thought process goes behind making one single garment, what all they do in preparation, how they tackle with the problems, and how they think differently. And this movie also teaches how this fashion industry runs in all these hustle bustle, how they tackle with this. And one thing, guys, this movie has 7.2 rating in IMDb, so you should watch this movie, which will teach you a lot. And the next movie which I am going to mention, you should watch before getting into fashion or designing, because it is not just about glamour or fashion show. It is not just about so much glitter, so much shosha. It is a lot more about claustrophobic factories, day-night working labors, so much hard work, so much less penny of payments, and not at all safe place. And you will also learn how these big brands are running modern slavery, and how these big brands like Zara and H&M are getting their fast fashion on. They are changing their fashion in every week or every month. So how this is running all together, we will see in this movie, which is The True Cost, which you must see. It has rating of 7.9, which is highly recommended by me for you guys. And I hope after watching this movie you will stop doing that brainless shopping which we mostly do. So yes guys, this will help you for sure. And what all tragedies happens because of this fast fashion, because of this unorganized fashion industry manufacturing departments. एंड यस गाइज, अगर आपने ये मूवीज़ नहीं देखी है और अगर आप डिज़ाइनर बनना चाहते हो और अगर आपको डिज़ाइनिंग इंडस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट है, तो फटाफट से जाओ और ये मूवीज़ देखो, क्योंकि इससे आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा फॉर श्योर. सो सी यू सून. एंड ये मूवीज़ आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना, और अगर अभी तक बाउंडलेस विंग्स को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो करते जाना. सी यू सून. मिलते हैं जल्दी.